We got room 4321, and it's a king size suite. So the first thing you come to, I got these nice full length mirrors on both sides. Ooh, and I can even see the back of my head over there. Well, that's nice. And then you walk in, you got a little makeup table area. Got the toilet room. Got 2 sinks. And then I got a tub and a shower. So we were looking at this amenities box, and it's really nice because there is a sewing kit inside of there. How cool is that? Yeah, so you come around here, and you got the bed. Got a little place to sit. And you got a little stair, a couple stairs. And then a place to sit there on the couches, and chairs, a little desk, do some work. And then I'll show you our view, but then you got a little seating area. And the cool thing is there's 2 TVs. There's one over there, one right here. And then here is our view. We got some mountains over there. And then they're building something there. We aren't sure what they're building, but it looks like down below us is like a really big suite room that has like a patio seating, or it's a restaurant or something. I think it's patio seating for like a big suite, but yeah, so that's our room. And I forgot to mention there's a TV in the bathroom, so you can watch TV while you're getting ready. Anyways, we're gonna take a nap, and then we're gonna get freshened up for our magic show. We're gonna see Mat Franco tonight at 7, so we're excited. Are you excited, babe?
Yeah.
Probably tired too. Yeah, we woke up at 3:30 this morning. So, and it's a 2-hour time difference, so our flight left at 6:30 and we got to Vegas at 7:30 in the morning, so yeah. And we ate, I didn't record it, but we ate breakfast at the, what's it called, the Grand Cafe?
No.
So, no? What was it called? Do you remember? I think it was the Grand Cafe or something like that. But we'll probably have breakfast there tomorrow and the next day, because it's kind of like the hotel cafe that's open like 24/7. So yeah, so we're gonna get a little rest and then freshen up for the magic show. Yeah.
There you go.